awuthathe njani?
Nangu shapshap.
Nami?
Nangu shapshap.
Ayi. Hayibo.
Namhlanje uyangibusisa namhlanje. Kade ngixoxa nomoya. Oh,
Xoxela kwabantu umthombeni.
le manga ngibona ugiya ngalo le shirt. Kusasa ngisazi ngizofaka amafika
Hayi ungahleke yini?
bekhona ngithengele wanginikeza lapha ebengizowafaka bekhona
Sasa emsebenzini.
oh usuzogqoka wena kusasa mina kade
Yabanda igqoke kusasa yabanda. Mina ngigqoke makushisa.
Nangu shapshap.
ngiyashutha phela kusasa ngizogqoka
Nangu shapshap.
into zami hawu
Oh, thank you, Chef Sharp.
kusasa
Dayisa nengubo.
Hayibo.
uyayibona kade giya ngalo lapha ukonyiwe futhi lapha
Ngathi mina uzoenda up uthatha noma yini. Asha. Thini into la? Athi manje sengiphumile ku-Omega manje le nto yashapshap lena ivuthwa impela
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. Listen, you guys. Since the last season of Uthando Nesthembu ended, I don't know, you guys. I feel like we are seeing Umpumelelo growing up. Okay, you know the issues that we've been having watching the show. That we've seen Umpumelelo not being so respectful to Umayeni, and this last season even to his father. It was almost like he sees his father as a competition, and he could not wait to see him, move away from the position of being that father for the family so that he can take over. So after the season ended, I really feel like, you guys, we are seeing a different side of Umpumelelo that we don't see on both the shows, which is Umpumelelo working hard, Umpumelelo pursuing businesses, Umpumelelo taking care of his family, like right here, you guys. There's nothing nicer than doing something for your parents and them being happy that you did the thing, and then them saying thank you mtanam. You know that those words when you said, that's my favorite thing about taking the grocery home, is that you're going to hear umama ethi ngiyabonga mntanami lapho mhlambe ulethe into engekho nkulu kangako. So I do feel like, you guys, we are seeing Umpumelelo grow up. Okay, he is growing up right in front of our eyes. So it's great to see him do something nice for his parents. He got these clothes for them. I had actually suspected that maybe, just maybe, this sharp business is his, but when I searched on the internet, the founder of the business is somebody that we actually don't know. So I think that maybe they have a promo deal with Umpumelelo or the Mseleko family. Because if you go on Instagram to check out the Sharp page, most of the pictures there are Mseleko family, So even the kids are there. So I think that they just have a promo deal with them, but it's not their company. I was suspecting that maybe it is their company. Especially that dress, you guys, because it's the same style as some of the dresses that Umayeni has advertised. So it was good to see this moment, you guys. Of course, people are never going to give Tirelo a break, whatever she does. Okay, she doesn't. She's not featured on the videos and pictures like I'm selling. People are saying something. She's featured. People are saying something. She just so happened to laugh on this video, and people are not understanding why she's laughing. People are saying that she's laughing so that we can know that she's there. I'm like, but even if that's the case, the problem is that if she doesn't laugh, then people will be like, oh, she's never going to get a break. So people are not understanding why she's laughing. They're saying that she just wanted us to know that she's there. Listen, whatever the reason, Tirelo is there. I do like how Umayeni treats the, I guess, baby mamas that are becoming wives. I think she treats them the same. I think she had a very close relationship with Vuyo. Now she has a very close relationship with Tirelo, and I think given a chance, she's probably going to have a good relationship with Amahle as well. She does not discriminate, and I don't feel like she has favorites. I haven't seen it, so I like the way that she is with Abantu Baga Mpumelelo. Also, we've seen Mpumelelo guys spend time with his younger siblings. They've been posting videos with his younger sister, just funny videos of the sister asking for money to do her hair. And recently, Mpumelelo was at this event. I think Begu Memulo or Mhlonyane or something, and he just happened to be one of the people that put money in one of the girls, and people believed Uguti Ubeqonywa at that event, and his sister was complaining, why is he giving money to the girls and not giving it to him? So I do like this side of Mpumelelo. I don't want to lie, you guys. I think he's busy. I think he looks like he's working. I think that if you have intentions of taking more than one wife and already having multiple kids, you have to be a man that is always on your grind. You have to be always thinking about the bag, because of course the responsibility, the financial responsibility for somebody that has multiple wives is big. Anyway, guys, listen, go into the comment section and tell me what you think about this. Okay, do you think Tirelo needs a break from people just not even wanting her to laugh? You know, she's not even supposed to laugh. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before people gonna share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers in Tanda Kakul.
Ngibone ividiyo ku-TikTok wena usemcimbini upha umuntu imali but mina awungiphi ngani imali ngoba mina ngusisi wakho ayikho right lento yenzayo.
Anifuna imali zonke iy'nsuku?
But ukhuluma umuntu bro.
Zonke iy'nsuku?
Uma ufikile kumele ungiphi imali phela. Bo.
Zinjani manje?
Sisadinga leyo mali.
Bafowethu.